Hello, welcome to Rediscovering the Beatles with Mark Morse. I'm Mark. Today I'm going to do something unusual. I know everybody else got the Abbey Road 50th Deluxe Anniversary Edition 5 years ago. But since I've been recollecting my records, this is something I've never enjoyed before. So I wanted to do kind of an unboxing of this set that showed up today. Look at that baby. Now, I imagine most of you who are interested in such things got this 5 years ago. But one of the things about getting back into the vinyl collection and recollecting all these Beatle albums is I'm getting things that other people were excited about a long time ago. So this is all still very new for me, but I wanted to do a little unboxing. I'm going to make this as painless as possible. As you can see, I've already taken it out of the box it came in, and I've already kind of started opening the little cellophane there, the little shrink wrap. I'm going to be very careful with that hype sticker. I know people really love those things. I've never been really big on the hype stickers before, but I've seen a couple videos that have made some interesting points. So I'm going to maybe be a little more careful with those now. So what I'm doing now, you can't really see it because that's the kind of video this is I'm taking off the lid of the Beatles 50th anniversary Abbey Road remixed by Giles Martin that everybody else opened in 2019. So the first thing I see is this. It's the Abbey Road. Looks like there's some history here, written by Giles Martin and Paul McCartney. So that might be interesting. I'm not going to read that now, but it looks like there's some information on the songs and the takes and stuff on the back there. Oh man, this looks so good. It's as if... Oh, this is awesome. So there are looks like there's 3 records in there, and they each have their own cover. So here's the, looks like the traditional cover. So I'm assuming that's just the album remixed. That's awesome. But the next one is, I'm being very careful. Oh, I see it, just 2, but that's okay. The next one are the additional albums, and it looks like they've come in the same thing. So there they are going back across the street. That's pretty cool. And I'm just going to take a little look at the wax here because, oh yeah, that's weighty wax. Look at that. That is a work of art, my friends. A work of art. Anyway, I wanted to open this up in front of everybody, just in case they forgot, in case you forgot how it felt to open that up for the first time. I also got the Revolver Deluxe set and the Let It Be Deluxe set some time back, but I decided, I set out to document me regaining all my records that I'd given away in the 1990s. And I thought, by gum, I'm gonna open this up for everybody today. If you found it interesting, that's great. If you didn't, you're not even watching this far, so that's fine. Anyway, I do want to thank the people that have subscribed to me. And if you'd like to subscribe, not all my videos are this lame. I sure would appreciate it. I've found this vinyl community that I've kind of fallen into, just a very warm, welcoming bunch of people. And I'm so happy to be here, and I'm even more happy that you're here with me. So thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you next time.